C. Log of 8 root 8 by log of 8 is equals to. These are the bits, only the bits will be uploaded. 1 mark questions, very important bits for the maths in the question paper and also for Polytechnic entrance exam. Okay, we'll continue. Here the some bit is given that log of root 8 by log of 8 is equals to. Options they given: 1 by 6, B 1 by 4, C 1 by 2, here D 1 by 8. Okay, here I am expressing log of root 8 by log of 8 equals to, can I express like this? Okay, I'm here using a formula of log of a power m equals to m of log a. Okay, here 2 log of 8 by log of 8. Here the option C is the right option, C. Okay, నేను చెప్పే సమ్స్ మీకు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కింద రావచ్చు. సో ప్లీజ్ ఫాలో మీ, షేర్ అండ్ లైక్. ఓకే, సి.